Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelly. Hi, if you're new, I'd love if you guys hit that subscribe button down below along with the little bell next to it. That way you can get notified the next time I upload my newest video. And today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a huge back to school haul all from Shein. I seriously love Shein. It's so cute and so affordable, so I thought you guys would like this. And you guys have been asking a lot lately for me to share with you guys like cute back to school pieces that are really inexpensive, and Shein is one of my favorite clothing websites for inexpensive clothing because they're super cute and trendy, but they're so affordable, which I absolutely love. So I hope you guys like this haul. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you do, and comment down below which item's your favorite because I'd love to know. But let's just get into it. I did pick up a few summer things as well because they were on sale. But the first thing I picked out was this super cute pineapple t-shirt. It's like a simple white t-shirt, but it has a little pineapple on the pocket, which I just thought was so cute, and I love pineapples. I think they're so fun. And if you guys watched my back to school fashion essentials, a simple t-shirt like this is so great for that. And this was seriously so affordable, and it has a little pineapple on it, which is so cute. I'm telling you guys, I went a little crazy. So the next thing I picked up was on sale because it's a summer piece, and it is a swimsuit. And I've heard lots of great things about their swimsuits because they're so inexpensive, but I was kind of like iffy about it, but I tried it on and it's so adorable. So I just picked up this blue bikini. So it is like this blue top. It's so cute. It's cobalt blue. The quality of it is absolutely amazing. It feels like something I would buy at Target. It just came with the matching bottoms, which are just super cute. I love them. I got this in a size large because I heard it runs small. My biggest tip with shopping on Shein is to check the size guide on the website because everything kind of runs a little bit differently. So I hope that helps. The next thing I picked up was this package. Is this super cute pair of shorts. They're like the J. Crew brown bag skirt, but they're short, so they're stretchy. They tie in a bow. They are black, so I thought this would be super cute and like super flattering and dressy, and they're just like shorts. Maybe fun for going out in as well, and I'm just so excited to style these. These were so cute. The next thing I got is this romper, and I'm so excited about this. So this is just like a navy romper, and it's just like a very simple one, which I thought would be so cute to dress up with like a J. Crew bubble necklace or something. And it's very strappy on the top, has these fun like crisscrossy straps, which I feel like you could put a cardigan over. It'd be great for like Friday nights, weekend parties and stuff, or like a jean jacket if you want to wear it to school if you can't wear tank tops. I'm so excited about this. This is seriously so cute. And this one is so funny, you guys. I saw it and I was like, oh my gosh, this is so cute. So I have really been into the trend of graphic t-shirts. I just think they're fun, and like a lot of my clothes are solid color, and I love being able to spice it up. So this is a white t-shirt, and it says "You make me happy," and it's just like a bunch of little lollipops with confetti, and I just thought it was so stinking cute. And I feel like this will be fun to wear with like jeans or something, or like a birthday party. I don't know. I just thought it was so cute, and it was so affordable, and I just feel like it's so adorable looking. And then I got another one, and this one is so cute. This is like a little dressy tank top. So it is a tank top like this. It's black, and it has these really cute ruffle sleeves because I definitely think ruffles are making a comeback. I think they're super cute. But I just thought this would be so flattering, like leggings or jeans, just like the dress it up. But like it's a tank top still, so it's cool enough for that transition for summer to fall, but it's super cute and I absolutely love it. And then this one is more of a fall piece. It is like a sweater, like a mock sweater if that's a thing. So it just has this really cute like neck detailing, so it looks like you're layering a shirt with a sweater on it, and it has the little sleeves as well, and then the bottom of them is just like the white shirt. I felt like this was so cute, and navy is such an essential in a preppy girl's wardrobe, and I just thought this would look great with my big J. Crew white bubble necklace. I'm so excited. And like a pair of jeans and loafers. So stinking cute. And then my next one is more of a sporty type t-shirt, I guess. It's like a varsity striped t-shirt, so it just has like little stripes on the sleeve. I feel like this is totally like retro vintage preppy, and I'm so excited to style this. This will look great like on Fridays when you have like sports and everything. I'm so excited. This is so cute. The last thing I picked up was this navy skirt. I thought it was so cute. So it's a lot like the J. Crew paper bag skirts where they just scrunch at the top. Same material, super cute, but what makes it different is it comes with this little bow, and it has little belt loops through it, so you can tie a big bow on the front, which I thought was so adorable. I'm so excited to style it. It totally reminds me of Blair Waldorf from Gossip Girl. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Thank you so much, Shein, for sending this to me. You guys are seriously so amazing, and I love finding super cute, affordable clothes on Shein. Definitely check them out. I'll have everything I got listed down below if you guys are interested. I just think they're gonna be great back to school pieces, and I think they're gonna be so much fun to style. So again, everything will be linked down below. So I hope you guys check it out. Thank you so much for watching my video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and let me know in the comments down below which piece was your favorite, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys very soon with my next video. Bye guys! bye.